love it. I think it is. मेरा काम एक ही denim में हो सकता है, you guys. We are all ready to go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to this video. Tomorrow I'm going somewhere, so it's a one-day thing. So मेरे को pack भी करना है, तो I thought let me just pack with you guys this time. It's a very meaning one day है basically. तो मेरे को 4 कपड़े तो लगेंगे ही.
What?
मेरे को देखना भी है कि मैं क्या पहनूंगी. We'll plan the looks and pack with you guys. So if you're interested, stay tuned.
You are the someone I've been trying to meet.
So अभी कुछ मैंने ऐसा mess create कर रखा है. I think this pant will look nice with this kurti. Like the color combo is so pretty. This kurti as well. Short again, and I'm going for a short kurti vibe. We're going to Haridwar if I haven't mentioned yet. So yes, the kurti is the thing I'm gonna go wear max. मेरा काम एक ही denim में हो सकता है, you guys. This top is also going well with this. तो मैं एक ही पहनने वाली हूँ. Okay guys, don't mind the hair situation. I'm just trying out the fit. So I think this looks nice. So this is the kurti. I mean, I would like it to be till here. Then I would call it a kurti. This looks more like a top. Yet kurti ऐसा लग रहा है कि छोटा हो गया है ये और मैं पहन रही हूँ. So I'm not liking how it's looking. Next is this. ये tie करना अभी नहीं किया है. But this is still better. Like the length is still better. Is the other option of a kurti. But I mean, clothes, yes, I have. But Indian clothes, that too I have. But I'm not liking anything I have for the place. I mean, I think I should get ready and then see. What do you say? Let's just get ready and then see. Okay, are we talking now? Like, what are your thoughts? I like it now. Love it. I love it. Okay, this is the one look. Second look. And I'm happy. I love it. I don't know how the accessories just do something to the outfits. You should always accessorize. Choker sort of thing it is. Now we're talking desi. And the third outfit is this. I'm thinking of wearing this while traveling. It's good. This is the linen cord set that I was talking in my previous video. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. Okay, you guys, I'm tired. These are the clothes basically that I'm gonna take while traveling and also when I'm there in Haridwar. So for that one day, I'm keeping 2 pieces. Rest to my 3 rakh rahi hu because at night I need something else. Then I'm going to Mansa Devi. That I need something. That time I need something else. फिर जब वापस आके हम नहाएंगे घाट पर तो फिर दूसरा चाहिए. तो that is why these 3 pieces. Otherwise एक में भी हो जाता. But yeah, it is what it is. Now I'm gonna iron these clothes and pack my bag and hair wash भी करना है. This is the outfit that I'm gonna wear while traveling. I'm keeping it very basic, chill and my vibe because I need to travel in those. So I like my travel outfits to be very, very comfortable. I cannot compromise on that because I need to sit, eat and do my stuff, and also I'm not well down here. So yes, that's the thing. And this is what I'm gonna wear at night as well. Then get up and board and be back here. Okay, if you see me wearing these over and over again, just know that I just can't do it. I opt for comfort. Just know that. Okay, so this is my comfort outfit जो मुझे लगता है मैं maximum time यही पहनने वाली हूँ. So the bag is all packed and we are all ready to go. The packing is all done. छोटी मोटी चीज़ें रह गई है वो मैं morning में ही डालूँगी because सुबह मुझे उनको use करना है. Then only I'm gonna put them in. So that's that. And also we're leaving tomorrow by 6:30 or 7. I'm not sure. We're going there by a train. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, what else? Nothing basically. So that's pretty much it. I hope you've liked the video. I'm gonna record a vlog from Haridwar as well and put it up next. So just be ready. Also why we are going there, because Haridwar is a place where my heart lives. I really want to live there. The place is so peaceful, sitting by the ghat, and also seeing the Ganga Aarti is something brings goosebumps to you, and I really want to live that experience. I have heard Rishikesh ki bhi Ganga Aarti bahut achhi hoti hai. I've never experienced that, but someday for sure. So that's it. I hope you're excited. I'm very excited. I'm always excited for going out. So yes, make sure you like the videos, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below what outfit did you like, did not like, and what are your thoughts basically. And I'm always liking, hearting, and replying back to you all. I love doing that. I shall see you in the next video. Bye.
I look at you and it's easy to see